So this is my new Suzuki 30 horsepower, and I couldn't start it when it was on the water last week. Actually, it's the second time on the water. So we can troubleshoot it and find out what's really going on. So here's the diagram from the sales manual. It has a battery, starter relay, and all the other stuff. Let me show you how to do it step by step. The first one's we can match the battery between terminal 1 of the starter motor relay, which is it's here, number 1, and let's do it. And actually, this is the terminal 1, so let's start a relay, terminal 1. So we have a multimeter right here. We connect the terminal, the ground, the black one, to any piece of metal right here, and let's connect terminal 1. So we got 12.5 volts. So let's see what's next. So we got the terminal 1. Is the voltage 12 volts? Yes. Go to step 2. So we're gonna measure voltage at the starter motor terminal 2 and turn the ignition switch 3 to starter. So let's do the next one. See, this is the terminal 1, this is terminal 2. So we connect terminal 2 and the ground right here. So let's see. Return to the starter. So we can turn starter and see what the voltage I got. Let's start it. See, the engine is not turning over, and the battery's voltage is 0. So let's see what the instruction says. Step 2, turn the voltage is 12 volts. If yes, go step 3. So if it's yes, means the starter relay is fine. So we have to do step 4. So we didn't hear any kick, so doesn't mean anything. The kick sign has heard. No, so we go to step 5. Disconnect the starter motor relay Y connection terminal 5. Terminal 5 is right here. So basically, it's right here. It's right here. We can disconnect the terminal 5. So this is terminal 5, this is terminal 6. Terminal 5. Measure the voltage between the brown little wire in terminal 6 and body wire in terminal 3. Switch 3 to starter. So we can measure the voltage. We can measure the voltage between the ground wire and the ground, which is terminal 6, right here. See terminal 6 right here. Actually, the bottom one is the brown one. So The bottom one is the brown one. So I connect the multimeter to the brown one, and let's see. There you get it. Terminal 1, 10 transfer. Let's see. You can see I get it. 12.3 volts. Yeah. Got the terminal. So we measure the brown wire, and then we got a voltage 12 volts. Then next time we go to step 6. Actually, the neutral switch, the wire connect is right here. So I already disconnected them. So you see the wire right here. It's hard to squeeze, put your hands in. So I use something poke it and disconnect those. You can do it. You don't have to take off everything, try to access the neutral switch. So you don't have to. So you can do right here. Neutral switch. We can measure the voltage. So we have to do measure the voltage between the yellow and green wire and terminal A to the ground, to the bottom ground, and turn the ignition switch 3 to start. It's right here, number 8, yellow and green. So this one, let me show you. So this is the yellow green line. So terminal 8. It's right here. Let's connect it. Let's connect this one to the terminal 8. Let's see what the voltage we get. So we have to connect the terminal 5 and 6 before we test the terminal 8. Let's see what the voltage we get when we turn the thing to the starter. We get 12.3 volts. Go to step 6. If the voltage 12 volts, yes, we go to step 7. So we have to check the neutral switch, number 9, right here. There's a neutral switch right here. And actually, so the motor has 2 neutral switch. One's inside the box. Yeah, other one's right here. Neutral switch right here. You have to take off the half of the thing to see the neutral switch. The neutral switch, it's right here. This piece. We can test the neutral switch. We found the terminal right here. This wire connect to the neutral switch, the wire, which is a brown and green wire. It's right here. And that's connected. See, connect the two wire, the brown and the green of the neutral switch to my multimeter. We can check the continuity of the continuity of the terminal 7. Terminal 7. So between the green line, green wire and the brown wire. So it's connected. So it means right now, it's not connected. So let's see. Switch. Now, shift is already in neutral position. You see, it's connected. But if shift forward and take it back, it's not in the neutral position. But when you put it in the reverse and back to neutral, now it's connected. That's my problem. So every time you put forward and come back to neutral, the neutral switch is not connected. But if you back to the reverse and to neutral, you see it's connected. See, I think you found the problem. See? It's working right now. So I believe I solved the problem. So actually, if you have a problem by yourself, you know. Actually, I think the problem is for the number 3 or 4 in this picture. So if the spring stopped or the ball is not napped perfectly, so when every time when I'm back from the forward to the neutral, it cannot stuck to the position, the ball, to push the neutral switch.